Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, bed liner, trip computer. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.